We're here at City Walk. There are so many fun activities that people have been participating in here this evening. We had the Gym Class Heroes perform, which was terrific. People can have hands-on experience with the DSi. We've got sampling stations set up. We've also got brand ambassadors in the crowd, because once you get your hands on the DSi, you really start to understand just how much fun it is to play. Well, Nintendo DSi is the next iteration of the world's best-selling handheld gaming system. The Nintendo DS has sold over 100 million units around the world, and the DSi really takes the playing experience to the next level. It allows you to customize, to personalize, to share content with friends, and it's a great way not just to play games, but also to play with music, play with photos, just really the ultimate in entertainment devices. I think there's something in DSi for everyone to enjoy. Probably the folks that will be lined up out here tonight are mostly people who are loyal gaming enthusiasts who have a Nintendo DS Lite and who are trading up because they really want to take advantage of the dual cameras and the SD card and the ability to download games wirelessly. I think we'll rapidly see people of all ages, both men, women, people of all levels of gaming ability start to adopt the DSi.